In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting print area in Google Sheets. If you've ever hit print and ended up with your entire sheet spilling across multiple pages, this quick method will save you time and paper. Google Sheets doesn't use a traditional set print area button, but you can get the same result by choosing what you want before you open the print window. Start by opening your Google Sheet and highlighting exactly the cells you want to print. Click and drag from the top left of your range to the bottom right. If you prefer the keyboard, click the first cell, hold Shift, and use the arrow keys to extend the selection. Make sure the highlighted area is precise. Only what's selected will be sent to the printer in the next step. Now open the print preview. Go to File, then Print, or use the shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows and CMD+P on Mac. This brings up the print preview screen with a sidebar of settings and a live preview on the right. In the sidebar, find the print dropdown and change it from current sheet to selected cells. This is the key step. The preview will update instantly to show only the range you highlighted, not the entire sheet. If you see extra rows or columns, click Cancel, refine your selection on the sheet, and open Print again. Before you finalize, adjust the layout so your selection looks clean on the page. Under Scale, choose options like Fit to Width or Fit to Page to prevent cut-off columns. Use portrait or landscape orientation depending on the shape of your data, and tweak the margins to give your content breathing room. You can also turn grid lines and notes on or off from the formatting options, depending on how polished you want the printout to look. Take a moment to scan the preview, flip through pages if there's more than one, and make sure headings and totals aren't split across pages. When everything looks right, click Next. From here, choose your printer to print immediately or select Save as PDF to create a shareable file that preserves your layout. And that's it. Your printout is limited to the exact cells you selected. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.